The installation, setup and maintenance of the Vallox Exxeo basic model. Installation. You can install the Vallox Exxeo roof fan by using either the mounting frame delivered with the unit or the optional roof penetration part. If the existing feed-through opening is smaller than the Exxeo mounting frame opening, the opening must be widened. The basic model can be equipped with an external temperature sensor. Please note that some optional accessories require an external power source. Electrical connections and controls. Connect the power supply directly to the safety switch and the control cable to the control unit. The operating voltage is 400 volts for larger roof fans and 230 volts for smaller roof fans in the series. Connect the controls according to the selected control method. Controller. The controller is fully protected and integrated inside the roof fan behind a maintenance hatch. The control panel card has a display with setting buttons below it. When using the controller, make sure that you have access to the right instructions for use. Setup. Before starting the fan, ensure that the fan wheel can rotate freely and that there are no loose or extra objects inside the duct system or the roof fan. The default control method is voltage control. The default rotation speed is 20%, which is the minimum speed. The measuring tubes are located behind the control unit's protective cover. The measuring tubes are marked with plus and minus signs. A manometer can be connected to them. The K-factors are specified in a label close to the measuring tubes. Scan the QR code for the instructions for use and other information. Please note that if you restore the basic settings from the control panel card, all model-specific factory settings must be reset. Maintenance. Switch off the voltage by using the safety switch and wait until the fan has stopped completely before starting maintenance. To access the fan motor, undo the roof panel and rain cover screws and remove them. Next, you can lift off the side panels. Before working with the components, make sure that there is no voltage. Wait at least 5 minutes to ensure that the voltage of the capacitors is discharged to a safe level. Reassemble the roof fan in reverse order. For more detailed instructions, please see the instructions for use on Vallox's website, vallox.com.